Okey na ba? Nagre-record na. Umuulan na guys, meron kasing bagyo ngayon, Bagyong Paulo and dito sa Tarlac is signal number 1 na. Alright, kahit na bumabagyo maggagawa pa rin ako ng reaction video. Hello guys, kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin na rin yung tiny bell button dun sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, magre-react ako dito kay Echo Claridad. Meron na naman siyang uploaded video, cover song, mga request sa song. Kaya i-play na natin to. Alright. I'm a huge fan of Echo Claridad, guys. So, eto na.
Alright, para po sa lahat na nag-request ng Through the Years
Through the
by
Years yung
Kenny
kakantahin
Rogers.
niya.
Mabuhay po tayong lahat.
By
Alright.
Kenny Roger.
I can't remember when you
Wow,
were
ganda talaga ng
there,
boses niya, no?
when I didn't care for anyone but you.
Wow. Galing.
I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've
Galing niya,
missed.
no?
Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I'm staying right here with you. Through the years.
Yung galing. Napakagaling ni Echo, no? Ang ganda talaga ng voice tone niya, yung quality ng boses niya, talagang papakinggan mo eh. So si Echo kasi hindi lang siya basta kumakanta eh. So habang kumakanta kasi siya, parang siya nagkukwento at nanggagaling talaga sa heart yung pag-aawit niya, which is tayong mga tagapakinig is nakaka-connect dun sa kinakanta niya. Ganun eh. Ganun siya umawit, nanggagaling dito sa heart. And then yung kinakanta niya is sobrang tumatagos sa heart natin and nakaka-connect talaga tayo, 'di ba? Na iintindihan natin yung mensahe ng kanta